everybody, I've got 3 boxes here from Wholesale Ninjas that I gotta unbox. So, I don't know how long it's going to take to unbox each one of them. I may have to do different recordings, so stay tuned for the unboxing of Wholesale Ninjas. Hi everybody, it's unboxing number 3, the last box. Yes, I'm still wearing the same thing because I'm doing this all in one day, but in 3 different videos. And then at the end, I will show you everything that I got. And so let's get into this. I'm so excited. I don't know what's in this one. Probably the same thing I got in the other one, so whoop-de-doo, you know. This was the box that came today. I don't know why they all didn't come at the same time, but we'll never know. My next purchase, after a while, will be another makeup purchase, but not from Wholesale Ninjas, from another company. And I might get some eyeshadow palettes. Okay, let's get into this box. Well, it looks like we got some more of those barrettes. Another Star Wars toothbrush. Does it work? I think it does. Well, I hope it does. Get the button up here. There we go. Yeah, it's working. I want to make sure it worked. Well, there's another bundle of razors. Another one of them bulldog stuff. Some more of those. I can lock all 3 of those together. Another 2 set of toothbrushes. Another one of those hair things, or for your hair bows. Some more masks. I'm glad I'm not seeing a whole bunch of masks this time. And same as the animal and mask bar. So that's pretty good. I didn't get a whole slew of those things. Got another one of these. And a charcoal bamboo toothbrush. And we got some more beard balm. And then we got some Dove exfoliating body polish. This is in the pink. I have to let it sit for a while because it's warm. Let it settle. Ooh, a big bag of Halls. And it's still good. So 2022. Oh, and here is some more 3D white strips by Crest. I think I can sell these. I tried selling another type of thing, but I wasn't allowed to. But I think I did sell these at one point on there. And look at all this. More deodorants, Mitchum and Old Spice. They must have had a buku load of deodorants to get rid of. Because other people's videos, they got a whole bunch of this stuff too. More Mitchums. More Mitchums. Some speed sticks. Some more of this here beard oil. I can lot those 2 up together. And another hairband face covering. Oh, and here's a Mickey Mouse one. That's nice. I'm not gonna put those in there. I'll put those over there. Another Old Spice. Another Old Spice. Here's another one of those I can put with the other one. Oh, here's another thing I can put with the other one I have. Zinc. Zinc. I guess that's all they have to give me is zinc, 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 zinc. I'm getting quite a full bucket over there of medicines to put on my other eBay account. There's some more Cetaphil Pro Derma Control Purifying Clay Mask. I think that's different. I'll have to double check the other ones. And here's some more Old Spice. Some more zinc. Hope I sell that zinc. I got enough of it. Here's some more Dr. Sheffield's natural toothpaste. That's a little travel size. Wish I could find another one. Hope I have another one I could lock the two together. Other than that, we'll have to wait for another load. Here's some more of that Secret lavender and eucalyptus, cedar wood and citrus, and another cedar wood and citrus. I hope these are good sellers. Some more gum sensitivity. I love this stuff. Colgate Total. Some more Colgate Total. And some more Root Touch Up in Dark Blonde. And some more Tom's Probiotic Toothpaste. Some more Crest White 3D White. Colgate Sensitive. Another Colgate Sensitive. And another Flawless. And I think I already have this color listed. So that's good. Some more Colgate Total. More Colgate Total. I think I'm going to list the, put like 3 together. I don't know how many I got here. Some more hair color in the dark brown. Some more Nads body waxing for men. Some more Root Touch Up. Yeah, in medium brown. Some more zinc. And some more of this acne control serum. And another thing of the simple face cleansers. Hopefully that's not open. It's still wet, but that stays sealed. Oh, I got 2 more of the Feminine Fresh Feminine Deodorant Spray. Got 2 more of those, so that makes 6 of these I got. And some more of this. This box is kind of beat up, but the contents is probably still good. Yep, it's in like one of them little plastic things, so I don't know what to do with that, how to do that. But anyway, got some more of this in the medium brown. And some more Airborne Everyday Stress Away. Helps reduce everyday stress naturally. So that makes 3 boxes. And this makes 4 boxes of this. I hope this sells pretty good on Facebook Marketplace, because that's too heavy to send through the mail. And another bag of Almay face wipes. I could put those 2 together. Some more of this color spray. This is this color is Jade, just like my granddaughter's name. And this is Ruby Red. And that's the only 2 color sprays. And some more lip mend. Yeah, lip mend. And here is some Grant cologne. Another one of those dark spot things from Mally. And some more of this Cipicol. And some more of this, let me see if I can pronounce this. Quercetin, and they're cough and cold drops. Put that over there in my medicine thing. There's another 2-pack of Colgate Max Fresh. And another Paradox Tax Extra Fresh toothpaste. And another heavy wet box. Let's see, is this right side up or upside down? It's right side up. Now where'd my thingy go? Here it is. It's got tape on it. Probably same old in this. I didn't get anything really good. No, I'm thinking of course, I didn't get one of them big boxes, so I didn't get anything fancy. Okay, see, they didn't tighten this one down either. This is blueberry scented hand soap. Smells good. And we got another crayon. I can lock this one up with the other pink one. And another Minion toothpaste for kids. And here's some moisturizing hand lotion. Ew. Nasty. Ugh. Oh, it got everywhere. Here's some Listerine Smart Rinse. I guess this is for kids because it's got, oh, it's Bubble Blast flavored, alcohol free by Frozen. I've not gotten mouthwash for kids yet. First time. And I got some of this Olay Rinse Off Body Conditioner. And all this needs to be wiped off. It is all nasty. This was open. This is Pantene Smooth and Sleek Shampoo. And it's like, you've seen that. That's just, a mess. This is the messiest box. And some more of the Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser. And then we got a Nexus Shampoo Protein Fusion. All this is like icky. And some more of that Everyday Man Jack's hand soap. I don't want to lose anything because my hands are like slippery. Ew! There's a whole bunch of nasty in there on the side. I mean, look at that. Nasty. Oh, and this one's loose. I mean, look at how, if you guys can see that. I got some wiping off to do with that. Oh. And we got some Dove Intensive Care Shampoo. Ugh, yuck. And some more of that Max Hold Gel by Shea Butter. And I don't think I'm going to stick that stuff back in there. And third bottle of that Tio Nacho. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but shampoo. That sells pretty fast for me when I do have it. Some more of this Zero Colgate mouthwash. I mean, this is nasty. Look at that. Can you guys see that? Ugh. Gotta wash that all off. Ew, 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 ew. Ugh. Wish I had something to wipe it off with, but I don't have anything. Don't have anything. Okay, well, anyhow, this is all I got, guys, all down in here, and this is the nasty stuff I gotta wipe off, and then I got all this other stuff over here, and so that is all my stuff I got. That box was the nastiest, and it was my last box I got. So it was probably sitting in the truck for a while. And heat makes things expand. So that's probably what happened to some of this stuff. Now, my next thing, because my camera's going to have to get charged, is that I'm going to go through all this stuff and I'm going to sort it all out and put all the toothpaste in one pile and all the mouthwash and toothbrushes and you know what, all in piles, and I will do that with you guys so I can start listing. Now I'll probably do that video tomorrow, so I'll keep you guys busy with these videos for now. Oh, I can't wait to get these things listed because I have been selling quite a bit from my other Wholesale Ninja stuff, along with stuff I got from my palettes, but I need to get rid of a lot of that big stuff from my palette because it's taking up space. Because I only have my husband's man cave as my eBay space. Because my darling, lovely granddaughter has her room back. I still have to get a few things out of there, but then it'd be all hers. I gotta get her a new bed, and then eventually I'm gonna get her a new nightstand and dresser to kind of all match. So just one thing at a time. Right now we gotta get her school clothes and get her in that school. So I am so grateful to have her here, and it makes me so happy. So I'm going to leave you at that, and I hope you enjoyed what you saw. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing of all my Wholesale Ninja stuff. Even though it was 3 small boxes, which I do like, the 3 small boxes. I'm going to have to let them know that. I like the 3 small boxes because it's easier to go through, and it doesn't make my videos that long. And I know you guys like that, because who wants to watch a 40-minute video? I don't think you guys do. But anyhow, if you guys are new, please subscribe, hit the bell button so you'll be notified when I come back on here, and hit the like button, and I will see you on the next video of my sorting everything out and getting it all kind of organized on what I'm going to sell. So it won't be that hard for me. That way I can just, have it all sorted and put in boxes so I can start photographing and getting them online ASAP. Okay guys, I will see you guys later. Have a fantastic rest of your week, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye bye.